Everybody, today we're going to be unboxing the Tamiya TT-02 Type SR chassis kit. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I picked this up a few days ago and I've been dying to open it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I left a link below so you can see what I'm up to. So first, let's go over the box. So let me adjust the camera and so we can see a little bit better. All right, looking at the side of the box here, there's a nice little paragraph introducing the Type SR kit. But I think this is what we're really into. So these are all the hop-ups in blue here. These are all the hop-ups that are included. Instead of buying them separately when you buy a TT-02 kit, all of these in blue are included. So you have the differential locking block, CVA oil dampers, carbon reinforced hub carriers, steel turnbuckle shaft upper arms, steering linkage flan tubes, metal joint cups and double cardan drive shafts, TT-02 lower deck, which is a hard load deck. It's the blue deck. TT-02 Type S damper stay and reversible suspension arms. TT-02 oil gear differential unit. My favorite part, hex screws. Put away the screwdriver for this kit. Metal joint cups and lightweight drive shafts. And also, one of my favorite things is the full ball bearings. I don't have to buy separate bearings. Die-cast aluminum hex wheel hubs. All right. And over here on this other side, other end of the box here. So this is unique to the TT-02 Type SR. It has a steel adjustable rear suspension mounts. So you usually find this in a race buggy. And with this, you can really adjust the suspension geometry and how the diff rides in relation to the chassis and the rest of the car. And it comes with different pill positions as well. Rear toe-in settings. And what does this paragraph say? Change plastic bushings, which are the pills, to adjust toe and skid settings. See included instruction manual for details. And we will do that. All right, the front of the box. Let's see what it says. Steering linkage flan tubes, steel adjustable rear suspension mount, open face 5mm reinforced adjusters, 5x8mm hard hex head ball head connectors. And that was referring to the steering. All right, let's look at this side. All right, so this kit needs obviously all of the electronics. You need a receiver, ESC, and a servo, and the transmitter, of course. You need a battery pack and a charger. You also need a Type 540 motor, wheels and tires, and a body. I plan on using this kit to run in the TCS Novice class. It's the only class right now that allows the Type SR. So I'm going to be using the torque tune motor as well as the standard TBLE 02 ESC, and I already have those in my motor box. Let's see, so let's go ahead and take the seal off and open it for you. All right, it opens from the top. Here we go. All right, this kind of reminds me of the TT-02 RR kit. Not much fanfare. And we have the bumper here. We have the hardened chassis. This is not the same color as the TT-02 RR. It's black, which is nice. It's a nice touch. Those are the hubs. These are the either the front or probably the front and the rear assembly. This bag, hard to tell. I'm looking at through the lens and through the bag itself. I can't really tell what these parts are. I think these are related to the shocks. And those are, guess we'll find out when I build the kit what those are. The bag's really hard to see through. Comes with some nice wheels, but no tires. That is the bumper mount, front and back, and some of the arms here. Here's the other arms on this side, about the same thing. Here's the body posts. These are very recognizable, obviously. This is the battery stay. That is the spur gear cover, receiver box. That is the motor fan. There's a motor mount. There's another motor mount. Let's see what else. That's the servo saver. I'm imagining all the goodie hop-ups are inside these bags. Let me go ahead and take all this stuff out from this bag. Looks like all the diff components. And there's the diff lock. These are the gear for the rear diff. That's part bag A. Bag B, got some rod ends there. See the bearings. These are the shock stays, or the damper stays, shock towers, wherever you want to call them. I see some pins. I see some dog bones. So this is the part B bag. The part C bag, I see springs. See the hex nuts, more rod ends, some more screws and pins. So that's bag C. Here's the spur gear, sun gear, some diff components, diff body. There's another one right there. And just your usual wrench and damper oil. Give you a set of Type SR decals, which is nice. And this one is usually just some warnings. Let's see. Information about this kit. And of course, the manual. Beautiful manual. Let me adjust the camera and go through this manual. All right, I really wanted to go through this and see what the differences are between a regular TT-02 RR and the Type S. See what's unique to this variant. Let's see. There's the familiar equipment, what you need. Long nose pliers, side cutters, mauling knives, and tweezers. That's different, a hex wrench, and you still need a screwdriver. I wonder what the screwdriver is for. Still need, as we talked about, the transmitter and receiver, servo, battery, ESC, and motor. There's the disclaimers, what to do, what not to do. Very familiar with these pages if you've ever built a Tamiya model before. Usually tell you to charge the battery ahead of time. And if you had a trickle charger, you do need to start charging ahead of time. So usual, you build the, looks like this is going to be the spur. Yep, the spur, the drive shaft. This is very similar to the TT-02 standard variant. Build the rear diff. All of this is familiar. I was kind of disappointed that this comes with the plastic drive shaft. I'm going to go ahead and order the aluminum one, just like I have in the TT-02 RR. Just keep building the diff. So far, nothing different, except the front diff is going to be the lock. So this would be the front diff, and this is going to have the diff lock inside. So that's a little bit different. The rear diff is the same. Motor mount, I'm also a little disappointed that this doesn't come with the aluminum motor mount, but since I'm running the torque tune motor and just the ESC, I don't think it's going to matter too much. If I ever upgrade this to brushless, I would want to go to the aluminum motor mount for sure. So far, very, very similar to a regular build. Let's see what I have here. Building the arms. These are the front arms. That's still very, very similar. And nothing exciting here. Here is the rear arm. So this would be a little bit different here. You got that block with the adjustments there. There's the front damper stay. That's a little bit different. I think the assembly is the same. It's just the material is a little bit different. So those are the same. And this is the front axles. These are going to look more similar, and the build is going to be more similar to the universals. So this is different right here. Front axles. And of course, I think in the TT-02, these are just one piece. The steering link is just one piece, so that's different. And yep, these are going to build a lot more like the universals instead of the one piece. And those are the rear axles. So you're going to have a lot of adjustments front and back. Build the shocks. The shocks, if you're upgrading from a TT-02, these are oil-filled dampers. So that is something that's an upgrade. And just a lot of links. We're going to be building a lot of links, which is not my favorite thing to do. All right, testing the electronics, of course. Mounting the servo, very familiar. Mounting the ESC in the receiver. Gluing tires, also not my favorite. Yeah, putting the body posts on. Bumpers, battery, body. So that's it. Here's the optional parts. Upgraded dampers, the heatsink. I'm probably going to get this, the motor mount. I may or may not get this. I'm going to probably wait. High-speed gear set. I'm going to get whatever legal hop-ups there are for the novice class, and I'll go with that. And there's the aluminum racing steering set. I'm surprised this kit didn't come with this. This chart talks about the different pinion gears and what hole positions. This talks about toe in and toe out. And this talks about how to adjust the camber angle. So I think this manual is a lot more detailed. Let's see, it talks about diff fluid and the different weights of diff fluid. And this talks about the pills, the toe angle pills for the rear. Well, they call them bushings. And this talks about the skid angle. There's a lot of information here that we're going to get through during the build. Let's see. And they talk about the shock adjustments. And this is basically a setup sheet, a setting sheet. This is terrific. I hope there's a PDF format of this because I hate to rip this out. And talks about the operation. This kit is in every Tamiya manual. And operation, and then it goes into all the parts, which is great. If you ever break a part, you know where to order it. You know what part you need to order. And that's everything. This is a great manual. Tamiya's always had great manuals. You rarely find any mistakes. You rarely find any problems with the Tamiya manual. So that's the kit unboxing. So in the coming probably 2 weeks, I'm going to be building this kit one video at a time. I'm going to probably, for example, do parts 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then following day have a video that goes to 5, 6, 7, 8, so forth and so on. I'll plan it out. Hopefully I'll have the sequence in the description below. And that's it. That is the Tamiya TT-02 Type SR. chassis kit. I look forward to building this, and I look forward to running it. If you have any feedback about this video or about what body you'd like to see with this kit for the rookie class, it has to be a Tamiya body. If you have any ideas on that, please leave it in the comment below. Please give this video a thumbs up, or if you haven't subscribed, turn on notification. And I'll see you guys in the next one.